So my dear friends, if you are into the stock market, you want to trade or invest, the first thing you need to do is that you need to identify the stock market direction or the stock market trend. Because if you do not understand what is the direction of the stock market, whether it is up or it is down, you will be caught on the wrong front. If the stock market direction is down and you simply buying the market, you will lose your money. And if the market direction is up and you are short selling the market, once again you will lose money. So identifying the stock market direction is the first and foremost thing that you need to do. And I'll show you here in this video how you can do it within 1 minute of your time. You do not need to study the market a lot. Just you need to attach one single indicator, and that single indicator can show you the market direction just like a crystal clear way. So let me introduce that single indicator, my favorite, one and only Donchian Channel Indicator. And in this video I'll show you just by implementing Donchian Channel how you can identify the market direction just within 1 minute or even less than that. So I'll show you with practical examples of how you can identify the direction of the market just by using Donchian Channel. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So now my dear friends, before I start telling you about the Donchian Channel Indicator strategies, first let me tell you what is Donchian Channel. So the Donchian Channel was developed by Richard Donchian, and it is a technical momentum indicator that calculates the higher highs and lower lows of a specific period of time, forming a channel around those values with upper and lower bands. So this is how the indicator looks like. It actually calculates higher highs and lower lows, and thus it actually creates a band. So this is the Donchian Channel Indicator. So I'll give you the link of this blog post in the video description. So from there you can come down to my blog post and you can know more about the Donchian Channel Indicator strategy. So here I have given you enough examples on how you can add the Donchian Channel Indicator, how the buy and sell rules are formed, what are the advanced trading rules, and you can know more about the Donchian Channel Indicator just by reading my blog post. So now my dear friends, now let me go to some charts. So my dear friends, you can see this is Nifty 50 daily chart, and you can see I am having Donchian Channel on this chart. So you can see this is the Donchian Channel. The Donchian Channel upper line is blue and the Donchian Channel lower line is red. So my dear friends, you can see if you have used the Donchian Channel, you could have sensed the latest stock market crash early. Now let me show you how you can understand what is the current trend. Rule is very simple. If the Donchian Channel is making higher steps, so now you can see now the Donchian Channel is making higher steps. The lower Donchian Channel is making higher steps, as well as the upper Donchian Channel is making higher steps. So plain and simple, the current daily trend is up. Whenever it will start forming lower steps, suppose from here it has started forming lower steps. So whenever it will start forming lower steps, you can see from here the lower Donchian Channel started forming lower steps, as well as from here the upper Donchian Channel started forming lower steps. So whenever it will start forming lower steps, the trend will be down. So you can understand, if you followed simply Donchian Channel, you could have sensed the last stock market crash quite early. you could have sensed the Donchian channel that it has shown you lower steps from here. From here it is making lower steps, lower steps, lower steps. After that, from here actually it has started making higher steps. So from here you can once again understand the trend has changed to up. Similarly, if we go back, you can see this was the big price surge after the FM has declared some packages for the industry. So on this day, after few days, the Donchian channel has started forming higher steps. So the trend has become positive. So slowly the trend was going up. Donchian channel was making higher steps and it had made higher steps till the recent fall. So Donchian channel, just by using Donchian channel, you can predict the market direction very clearly and very easily. Now let me show you in this AMI broker with bar replay how this Donchian channel is formed. So this is the bar replay feature of AMI broker. So suppose we are on 2020, the start date is at 2020. Let us go back to 2019 and let us choose the date. Suppose we will check from July 1st 2019 till the latest date. So we will play. You can see bar replay feature is just like the market is live. You can see the trend is down because Donchian channel is forming lower steps. Trend is down, trend is down. You can see trend is down, Donchian channel, both the Donchian channels are making lower steps. So we are now into the August 2019, trend is still down. We are waiting for the trend to change. Donchian channel still not predicting any trend change. So this can take a bit time, but you can understand a lot. You can see this was the day and you can see now Donchian channel has started making higher steps. So the trend has changed to up. Now the trend is uptrend. You can see both the Donchian channels are making higher steps. So now let us check when the trend once again reverses. So the Donchian channel making higher steps. Market is making new highs. This is how the AMI broker's bar replay feature works. It is just like you are in the live market. So you can identify how the Donchian channel works. You can see the Donchian channel making higher steps. So the market trend is still up. We are now in the December 2019. Still Donchian channel making higher steps, market making new highs, and we are making new highs. I feel this was the highest high almost, or market is making new highs. Yes, market is making new highs. 12,000 plus levels. You can see market has made the all-time high over here and still the trend is up. We don't know. You can see the Donchian channel has started making lower steps. So we are now sensing a trend change. You can see both the Donchian channels are now making lower steps. This was much earlier than the COVID outbreak. Now this is February 2020. You can see Donchian channel has exactly spotted the fall much earlier. The big falls are happening, but we are safe because we use Donchian channel. You can see how Donchian channel has predicted the last stock market fall clearly. You can see the trend is down. Donchian channel are making lower steps. The market is trying to recover a bit and it is also trying to consolidate. So we need the confirmation from the Donchian channel. Let us see what happens. You can see the Donchian channel is now making higher steps. So the trend has changed to up. Once again the trend has changed to up and market is making new highs. It will start making new highs because the Donchian channel is started making higher steps. So you can see this is till the latest date. So you can see how Donchian channel works on the live market. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can use the Donchian channel very correctly, and the Donchian channel will show you the market trends well in advance. So you have seen that it has predicted the stock market fall well in advance on February 2020. So after that the COVID-19 outbreak started happening and the market has seen a big fall, but Donchian channel has predicted well in advance. Now I have shown in any broker because there the bar replay feature is available, but you do not need any broker also because nowadays Donchian channel is available in all the latest stock market trading platforms. So you can use your trading platform. You can use Zerodha Kite or Upstocks Pro or Alice Blue Ant. In any of the brokers you can use Donchian channel who are providing you with this indicator. Now I will show you Donchian channel on Zerodha Kite. So my dear friends, this is Zerodha Kite chart, and once again I am on the daily chart of Nifty 50. So I am on the daily chart of Nifty 50 index. Let me go to the start of this chart. So this is the Nifty 50 daily charts. You have seen that any broker has spotted the stock market fall well in advance. Even on Zerodha Kite you can use the Donchian channel indicator. So just you need to go to the studies section. In the studies section, just search for Donchian channel. You can see here it is Donchian channel. Just click here. The default high period is 20. The default low period is 20. The channel fill, you can use the channel fill or you can remove it. So I'll use the channel fill. The color of the Donchian high, Donchian median and Donchian low. Once again you can change the colors. I'll keep it as default. Click on done. So you can see my dear friends, once again the Donchian channel indicator is on your chart. You have seen that in any broker it has shown the trend change well in advance. Here also you can see here the Donchian channel has started forming lower steps and then the market has actually seen one of the biggest fall of the history. So after that once again the Donchian channel started making higher steps. So now the interim trend is up on the Nifty daily chart. So this is how you can use the Donchian channel on your favorite trading platform. I'll show you the previous history also. Here it was the day from where the Donchian channel started making upward steps. So here the trend was up, then it has came down. Now my dear friends, I have shown you how you can utilize the Donchian channel, but you can also enter and exit based on some supporting indicators. So let us add one simple RSI, my favorite RSI 2. So let us add RSI and period is 2. Let me give the overbought as 90 and let us take the oversold as 10. Click on done. So what is the rule? Simple. Rule is once again very simple. Whenever the Donchian channel predicts that the steps are up, here the market is on uptrend. So we will wait for a dip on the RSI 2. A dip below 10. We will buy the market. Buy here, exit after RSI rallies. So you can buy here, you can exit anywhere in between these places, or you can trade with a target. Once again you can buy here because you have got a dip, and the Donchian channel is showing you that you are in an uptrend. So you are buying here, you are exiting somewhere near here. You are buying here because Donchian channel has taken a upward step and RSI is on dip. You are buying here, you are exiting somewhere near here, so you are getting profits in each and every trades. You are buying here, you are exiting somewhere on the top. So this is how you can trade. And if the Donchian channel starts making lower steps, so you need to wait for the RSI to make some rally. So if you get some rally, you can short sell the market. So most of the times this will work, but if you see that the Donchian channel is making steps in the opposite direction, do not use the RSI to enter and exit. First identify the trend and then go with the trend. So that is the simple logic. Donchian channel will show you the trend and RSI will give you entries and exits. So my dear friends, I have shown you how Donchian Channel Indicator can help you to identify the stock market direction within 1 minute. So it is a very easy indicator to use. It can show you the correct stock market direction and you will not be caught on the wrong front. If you use the Donchian Channel Indicator, you could have predicted the latest stock market crash of 2020 that has happened after the COVID-19 outbreak. So this is the power of Donchian channel. From now onwards, please put Donchian channel indicator on your charts, and that should be a must. So let me give you some tasks once again. Please check 3 stocks. One is SBIN, one is Yes Bank, and one is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So please check these 3 stocks, check with Donchian channel, and let me know what is the price trend in the weekly charts. Yes, not daily charts. I am giving you the task to check the trends of these 3 stocks: SBIN, Yes Bank, and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. You check their trends on the weekly charts and you comment me below this video. I'll check your observations and I'll comment you back. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.